everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the upcoming full moon that is happening on the 23rd or the 24th of July, depending on where you are in the world. It's happening at 5:36 a.m. Athens time on the 24th of July or 3:36 a.m. London time. And it's falling in the energy of Aquarius and exactly in 1 degrees and 26 seconds. So I want to warn you that it's a very strong full moon coming up, and it's a lot of complexity in this full moon, a lot of aspects and a lot of different alignments that will be sharing with you. So the first thing I want to share with you is that this year we have 2 full moons in the energy of Aquarius. The first one is this one on the 24th or the 23rd, and the next one is happening in August. So these 2 full moons, they kind of work together. When usually full moons is like they represent the peak of the moon circle, and it's time when we release, when we cleanse. This particular full moon, it's also bringing up a new start, a fresh new start, because it falls at the first degrees of an energy, and especially also in Aquarius energy. So the second full moon in Aquarius is going to be actually the peak of all this Aquarian energy. So the Aquarian energy, it has to do a lot with freedom, with truth. It's a very expansive and very open-minded energy. It has to do a lot with new ideas, new perspective, new solutions. It's an energy that is very related with science, with the future, with technology, with all these new age ideas. It's also very connected with teamwork, with groups, with networking, with friends, and it's a very let's say in general open energy, open-minded energy, just brings a very new perspective to us, and sometimes we might feel stuck into a problem or a thing that we're facing, and this energy just opens kind of new doors to us. So what to expect from this full moon is going to be regarding all these alignments and aspects we have from different planets. We might expect a lot of power issues, a lot of things that will have to do with more rules, more regulations. They're gonna kind of this abusive power can raise, and really we might feel like our freedom is taken out of us. But also because we have this the Aquarian energy has to do a lot with the team, with networking, with groups of people. A lot of groups of people will be forming and raising the voice and sharing and saying that they don't want this anymore. They want their freedom back, and really let's say defending themselves. So also this energy, as I said before, it's going to bring new perspective, and it's going to bring new solutions in whatever things in our life we are having trouble with. Is going to be opening new ways of looking at all these things. Also, we have from today, the 21st, officially we are entering Leo season, and for the whole August, Leo energy and Aquarian energy will be working together, and this is a very, very creative energy, very, very creative energy. And also it's a time where it's good to just slow down and take things easy, do things step by step. Don't rush into anything, just taking time. It's like slowing down. If you want to know more how this full moon is going to affect you, you have to look where in your chart the first degrees of Aquarius falls, in which house, in which area of your life will be affected. And also you have to look at the opposite of Leo, which planet or which house it falls there. Also, to conclude, I want to say that we are now experiencing a time of intense transformation, and June has been a very, very intense month. And this month is kind of feels like the month where we are integrating all these strong energies of June, and whatever is not laying in a strong foundation is just falling apart, even if it's a job, even if it's a friendship, if it's a relationship, a marriage, etc. Whatever is not built on a solid foundation is falling. So whatever is not serving our highest good and path, it's falling away suddenly from our lives. And I have a lot of people sharing with me the last week, especially, a lot of these kind of experiences of sudden events that things just went out of their lives. And also this is something that it's happening for creating space from all this new energy to get more integrated. So the best way that I find to work with these energies is to really listen to the heart and just do things that feel right. Only do things that feel right for you. And also another thing that I want to say, July is a very good month for taking decisions. But before taking any serious decision, just slow down, take your time, and decisions will be made up this month, or will be very very important for the next phase of your life. That's all I want to share. Thank you so much for listening. If you like my videos, feel free to share them with other people, to like, to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, enjoy July. Yeah, thank you. Bye.